The DJI Avata 360 is no longer just a rumor floating around on obscure tech forums. It is real, it is confirmed, and it is coming much sooner than you think. This drone has already passed every single regulatory hurdle required to take flight. It has the paperwork, it has the certifications, it is ready for the sky. But there is a massive, secret reason why DJI has been sitting on this release for months. It is not because of a mistake. It is not because of a technical failure. It is a calculated, cold-blooded master plan to dominate the entire drone market for the next 5 years. If you're thinking about buying a new drone today, you need to stop. You need to listen. You need to know what is happening behind the closed doors of DJI before you spend a single dollar on outdated technology. The story of the Avata 360 starts with a battle of the giants. DJI was ready to launch this product late last year. Everything was set. The marketing renders were leaked. The Chinese social media platforms were buzzing with pricing details. Then, something unexpected happened. A competitor moved faster than anyone predicted. Insta360 prepared a surprise move with their own anti-gravity technology. This move forced DJI to pause. They did not want to rush a product that was just good enough. They wanted to release something that would end the competition entirely. This extra time was not wasted. DJI used every single day of this delay to polish the soul of this machine, the software. The DJI Avata 360 is a hybrid beast. It is a machine that shouldn't exist according to the old rules of physics and photography. It merges the raw, adrenaline-pumping speed of an FPV drone with the invisible, cinematic beauty of a professional 360-degree camera. This is incredibly hard to do. In the past, if you wanted 360 footage on a drone, you had to strap a heavy camera to the top and hope for the best. It was clunky. It was dangerous. It ruined the flight dynamics. The Avata 360 changes that by building the 360 capability into the very frame of the drone. To make 8K video look smooth from two different lenses while flying at 100 kilometers per hour, the stitching must be perfect. If the stitch line glitches for even a millisecond, the immersion is ruined. DJI is using brand new AI neural networks to make sure the drone itself completely disappears from the footage. You will see a full 360-degree view with zero artifacts. It will look like a floating eye in the sky. Let's dive deep into the technical specifications because they are frankly unbelievable. This drone features a dual lens system. One lens faces upward and one lens faces downward. Each lens covers a full 180 degrees. But these aren't just standard lenses. They are backed by a massive 120 megapixel sensor array. This allows for a level of detail never before seen in the FPV world. When you record in 8K, you aren't just getting a wide shot. You're getting a canvas that you can crop into in post-production. You can track a car, a mountain biker, or a skyscraper, and the quality will remain sharp. The transmission range has been boosted to a staggering 20 kilometers. This uses the new O4 Plus protocol, ensuring that even in crowded cities or deep forests, your signal remains rock solid. This is not a toy. This is a professional tool designed for high-end creators. The flight physics of the Avata 360 are also revolutionary. Usually, 360 drones are slow and steady. Not this one. DJI has tuned the motors to handle the unique weight distribution of the dual lenses. It can fly for 25 minutes on a single high-density, intelligent battery. This is a massive jump for the FPV category. It also features a new tier of semi-autonomous flight modes. This means that even if you have never flown an FPV drone in your life, you can use the Avata 360. It features a ghost path mode where the AI predicts the best cinematic line and helps you steer. It has advanced obstacle avoidance that works in a full 360-degree bubble. It is almost impossible to crash this drone in its standard flight modes. For the pros, you can turn all of that off and fly in full manual mode, hitting gaps and doing flips while the 360 lenses capture everything around you. You don't have to worry about where the camera is pointing because the camera is pointing everywhere at once. The launch timing is now very clear according to our sources in the supply chain. We're looking at a mid-March release window. DJI is currently shipping you. It's to regional warehouses under heavy non-disclosure agreements. They are making sure the DJI Fly app is updated to handle the massive 8K data streams. They want the user experience to be as simple as an iPhone. You land the drone, your phone connects, and the AI stitches the video automatically in the background. No more hours of sitting at a computer trying to fix stitch lines. This is the amplification of 360 FPV. Now, we have to talk about the price. This is where DJI is going for the kill. Rumors from Chinese retail leaks suggest the base model will start at just $450. Think about that. For $450, you're getting an 8K 360-degree camera and a high-speed FPV drone in one package. This price point is designed to make it impossible for anyone else to compete. If you want the full Fly More package, which includes the new DJI Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3 controller, the price will sit around $1,000. This is an absolute steal for the amount of technology packed into this frame. DJI is willing to take a lower profit margin on the hardware because they know they will dominate the software ecosystem. The impact of this drone on the creative industry cannot be overstated. We are moving into an era where framing happens after the flight, not during it. You can fly the most difficult, dangerous route possible, focusing only on not hitting a tree. Then, when you get home, you can move the camera and the software to look at the sunset, look at the ground, or look at yourself. It gives you infinite possibilities from a single flight. This is why the Avata 360 is a total game changer. It creates a whole new category of flight that didn't exist yesterday. It allows you to capture action and cinema simultaneously without compromise. If you're a professional filmmaker, you need this drone. It will allow you to get shots that were previously only possible with a $50,000 helicopter budget. If you're a social media creator, this drone will give you the viral invisible drone look with much higher quality than any 360 stick camera. However, if you're a complete beginner, you must respect this machine. It has a lot of power. Even with the AI's safety features, it is a fast, heavy object. The learning curve will be there, but DJI has made that curve as flat as possible. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 360 is the most important drone release of 2026. It represents a shift in how we think about aerial photography. It is the bridge between the high-speed world of FPV and the immersive world of 360-degree content. DJI has waited, they have refined, and now they are ready to strike. The mid-March launch will be a massive event in the tech world. Make sure you are ready for it. Don't buy the old Avata, don't buy an Insta360, and don't buy a GoPro until you see the official reveal of this beast. My final opinion? This is the drone of the year. It solves every problem that 360 pilots have been complaining about for years. It is small, it is fast, and the 8K resolution is the gold standard we have been waiting for. DJI has once again proven why they are the kings of the sky. They didn't just iterate, they reinvented. This drone is going to be all over YouTube in a few weeks, and you want to be the one who has it first. The $450 price tag is the cherry on top. It makes professional-grade 360 FPV accessible to everyone. If you like the video and want to stay updated on the latest DJI leaks and tech news, subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with your drone pilot friends so they don't make the mistake of buying the wrong gear. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update when the official launch happens. We'll be doing a full unboxing and flight test the second this hits our office. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.